Okay, everybody, this is going to be a quick one. It's kind of a hybrid between the text tool and the pen tool or shape tool. When I tell you to use a shape or the shape tool or the pen tool, I'm always telling you to come up here and make sure it says shape. Well, I'm going to tell you what the path actually does then, okay? So if we click on path, it's actually going to be just a line or whatever you want it. So say that we want a nice, I'm using the curvature tool. And as you can see, things are looking good. And we're going to come up here with this. And I'm done. And notice it don't have to finish my shape. I'm actually creating just a path. And that is what it says up here. And that's what I'm looking for. I guess I can change it if I wanted to with shape and things like that. But we're leaving it as a path. And here's why. When I come into my type tool, you're going to see it says horizontal type, vertical type. We know those. Like I say, we went over the type tool as it is. But if I go to the horizontal type, and notice I can just click once. If I get close to this path, it changes. Notice it says that I can type on a path. So if I click here, notice you can see what's happening here. Now I've got some things changed so it looks really well. And I'm going to come back here. I'm going to clean everything out. Let's go to 0 so it looks fine. Okay. But notice I'm going to come in here and I will write down loving the videos. Videos. Okay, and I'm having fun with this. Notice I'm going to come here, and you can see some space in between. And as we do, things change. Yeah, that was just a babble there, but you'll notice through the word loving that when it goes over an arch, it spreads out. When it comes into a valley like this, it comes together. And those are things that we can adjust. And we're going to adjust them with our characters. So I'm going to come up here and click that over here. Bring it down a little lower here so you can see it. And once I highlight this, I can just highlight a section of it. And I can come here, and it's the VA, they call it, and we come here and say 100. Notice how it's spreading out. I can come here and say 200, and it's getting better and better. These look okay. Maybe I want a little bit more spacing in between these two here, or maybe I have a little bit too much there. I can change that. I can do a -2. But these are the two right here, the O and the S I'm not too happy with. So let's come in here and type 300. And I can put in whatever number I want. We're going to even go more than that. Let's do a 350. And notice how it looks much, much better. I can come back in here, change that if I want to, and I can even give it a negative number. And notice how it brings it, oh, a little too much, got a little too aggressive right away. But notice how I can kind of make them pretty consistent. And I think that's something that's really, really valuable. And it may help you out later on. Again, we can do everything we want with this. If I like this, come back up here. Notice it says loving the videos. I can do my effects. I can do whatever I need to do with it. Okay. So there you go. And there you have it. It was a quick one. Just want to make sure you understand that too. Have a good day, peeps. Talk to you later.